Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 86 country state city drop-down insert record in database, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is my database name. Inside this is a lost top table is available. This is a lost top table is available, and this my project is available. Gem folder inside this htdoc directory inside this project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Unless this run, this project is a run cmd. This directory inside this cmd successfully working. Find the cmd. This project inside this is a working. Let's PSP artisan server and enter. Let's copy this URL and paste this. Successfully this is available. Let's slash admin login. This is a admin login successfully working fine. Inside this admin @gmail.com. Password is 123456789, and this click this login and not now. Successfully this is a login, good working. Let's click this is a address. Click this address and this is a inside this new button is already create. This please check this previous video. Add address. This is add address, and this is a dependence. This is a dependence is a drop down is a working fine. This is a please check this previous video. This Pakistan inside this is a not available. Let's USA inside this is available. Tokyo inside Paco inside this is available. This Paris this is a insert in this record. First of all, this is a copy, and this is a name is a route inside this web.php, and this fine. This is a fine. This is a available, good working. This is location controller. This is already included. This controller app http controller and this location controller. This is a location controller is available. Same copy and web.php save file. Successfully this is a file is available. This is a good working. This country model get. This is a admin address add resource view admin address inside this is a add.php file. This is a file is a working fine. This is a available. This is name is available. This country, this is a state and city. This is a available this file. Let's inside this new route is a create. This is a token is a compulsory is a include. Let's new route is a create URL, and the same route is a copy. The same is a copy and paste here. The same is a copy and paste, and this is a method is a post method. Let's same copy and inside this is paste here. This is a get method. This is a get method, and second is a post method. Route post. This is a post. Different method is available. This is same route. This is a URL is the same, but this method is a post. Location controller class. Copy same here. Copy add insert same here. Same copy. This is a copy public function. Let's new function is a create. This controller inside this new function create public function. Paste here. Request $request dd $request all. Save file. Successfully save file and refresh this page. This is a refresh this page. Let's select this is inside this is a USA inside this is available. Please wait, this is a not available. USA inside this India inside India inside this available. Gujarat inside this one city is a Bhavnagar is available. And submit, otherwise submit is not working. Let's first of all, this is a step by step name is a include. This is a name is a not available. Let's name is a name. This is a name is a country id. The same name is a country id is a set country. This table id, this table is available. This is a country table. This table name is available, countries table. This country table same here, copy, and this is id is a import in this database name. Name is a paste here, and this is a id same. Second is available. This is a name. This is a state id. This state id is available. Let's click this state. Inside this is state id, same here, state id. And last is available name city. This city, click the city, and this is a id. Save file. Successfully all set. And this is dd, and request is a implementation. This is a implementation. Let's submit. Successfully. This is only token, but this is a project. This is a file is a not a refreshes, only token is a show. Let's again this submit, and this is a refresh. Good working. This again submit. This is a id is available, country, state, and the city name. This is a all id is a successfully get. Let's again this refresh this page. Otherwise the same here comment, and this is a new table is a create. Table name is a address table. Let's address table is a create. Click this new. Inside this is a column is a new create address. New table is a create address. Inside this is a id first is open, and this is a country id. This is a table is first is a country id. This is a drop down is a country id, and this is a state id. Same copy and paste here, state id, and last is available city id. This is a different id is a implementation. Let's do Laravel by default field is a created date and updated date. Created and update. 10 integer days is working fine. This is a date and time. Select date and time, and this is date and time null 11 and 11 null. Primary key, click this primary key and go button. Click this auto increment and save file. Successfully file is a save. Good working. This is a fine. Let's click this address. Click this address inside this is a field is a created. Good working. Let's new model is a create address model. This table is a create. Inside this is a new model address model PSP. Address model is a create. Successfully create. And city same here, copy and paste here city, and this rename copy and paste here. This is a address, same name is a address. Successfully set. Good working. This is a fine. Successfully implementation. This is a model is a create. Let's same copy, and inside this is a paste here. This paste here. Use app model and paste here. Save file. Copy and find this save. Let's $save, and this new record is a create. $save, and this first record is available, country id. $save, and this is the next id is a state id. $save, and this next is a city id. Successfully set is equal to, and this is a is equal to, and this is equal to $request. Inside this is a record is available. The same id is a copy. This is a country id. This country id is a paste here. Next is a request, $request, and this is id is a add. This id is a select, same here, copy. This is a state id, paste here, and this is last is a request, and this is a next is a city id. City id is a set, city id, and this successfully all set, and this is a compulsory is a required. Less required. This is a compulsory is a required, and this is a required, otherwise not a insert. Successfully all required. Please write down step by step. This is a file is a write down. Any doubt, so please contact this my channel. Let's $save. This is a save. Return redirect with success. This is a success message. Record successfully insert and save file. Let's insert. This is a return redirect page. This is a return redirect. This submit. After this is a click this back button. Inside this is a return redirect. Same here, copy and paste here return redirect. This is a success message is a inside this file is available. This is a message file. Inside this is only success message. Please write down success message. This is a file. Inside this is a admin view. Inside this file is available, and this is a list file. Inside this is a file is a included. This file is a included. Good working. This is a file is a include this success message. Inside this is a include. Inside this is a message is a show. Let's click this add and select. This is a India, otherwise this is a US, and select. Let's use a select. Inside this is available. Record is a Poco. Inside this is city is available. This city in this Paris, and submit. Successfully record is a insert. This is a spelling mistake is a insert. This is my spelling mistake. Let's refresh this page. Inside this is a ID is a successfully import. This 6, 9 and 8. This is a 6 number is available. This 6 number is a country. Select this country. This is a USA is a selected. Good working. This is a 6 is a successfully insert. Next is available. This is a 9 number. State is available. This is select state. Inside 6 number. Inside this is a 9 number is available. This is a Poco. Inside this is available 9 number. Good working. This is a 9 number is available. Inside this is a city. Inside this 9 number is available. This is a Paris, and this is a 8 number insert. This is a 8 number. Last entry is a 8 number is available. Good working. This is a fine. This is a working. Let's next is a add again, and this is a Pakistan. Inside this is record is a not available. Let's select this Pakistan. Why not available? This is available Lahori. This Lahori inside this available. This is the Putta, and this submit. Successfully insert. This is a spelling change. This is a insert and submit. Successfully set. This is a Pakistan is a select. This is a 3 number is a Pakistan. Let's check this 3 number is available Pakistan. Okay, good. And this is next is available. This is a 1 number is available Lahori. 1 number is available. Let's select Lahori. This is a 1 number is available Lahori. Good working. And this is a 1 number is available Lahori. And inside this is a last is a this select. This is a city is available. This city is a inside this is available Pakistan is a Gutta. This is a 6 number is a Gutta. 6 number is a select this C, and 6 and 5 number is a 5 number. This is available city. This is a 5 number is available. This is number is a Putta. This is a working fine. This is a Putta is a selected. This is a working. Let's see again this Pakistan, otherwise USA lost of is available country. This is a dynamic. Wait, this is a why not show. This is available Lahore. Inside this is available. This Putta is a selected. Good working. This is a fine. Successfully submit, and this back button click. This back button is working fine, and this submit is a working good. This is a working fine, and the submit but selected is a compulsory is a working fine. This is a selected is a working. This table is a writing. This route is a successfully set, and this model. Any doubt so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Inside YouTube, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. New project development of me, please contact anytime. And this my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon, and please this all follow this link Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.